So we've been keeping a little secret. And I'm so excited to tell you all. I can't even hold it in. I'm so excited to tell you all. And to be honest, I kind of thought somebody would have picked it up by now, but you haven't. So I'm here to spill the beans on our secret. So we've been doing PA for like 6 years now, and we've created something like 70, 80-ish kits, themes. Looking back on it, it's been such an amazing journey. And we've not only created kits, but we've created a whole bunch of new products, which we've created from absolutely nothing. And we've had several different artists over that time. So we've had artists who paint and scan and send us the artwork. We've had artists who draw digitally on an iPad. And we've had art that I've put together, which is, created using Photoshop and edited using Photoshop and combinations of all three. And it's been amazing to watch us evolve. And today I want to introduce you to our latest artist. So our latest artist is Paige, and she is me. Well, okay, kind of me, but like a better me. Well, like, who can draw? She can paint, she can draw, she can do all those things, and she takes my ideas and brings them to life in ways that I never thought was possible. Sometimes things get a little crazy and a little weird, but it's nothing that we can't handle, and we work together to fix these things out. If you haven't already worked it out, Paige is what we lovingly refer to as our in-house AI artwork generated artist. I don't even know how to jumble those words together. We have conversations, and it's kind of hilarious, as I mentioned. Like, she gives some really weird artwork back, but I work really hard to make sure that I modify those and continue to bring you unique, beautiful, amazing art, which works in your planners, which works in your creations, and hopefully keeps inspiring you. We started doing this in, I want to say, August last year. We started experimenting and seeing if it was viable, if it was going to be something that we could use long term, how it all worked, because that's really important to us here. And never have I ever been able to really produce what I can produce now. Whenever I worked with artists in the past, I would write a brief. This is the really boring stuff. I would write a brief and sit down with the artist and talk to them about what's in my head, and I would always get back their interpretation of it. And now I can actually get even closer to what I want, because I'm in the driver's seat. I can get what's in my head, which is, for someone who has ADHD, is really exciting. And also it's a lot. And so we've been releasing this. Well, at first we released a few things slowly to sort of test the water and see what everybody thought, and just to see if people liked this art that I could generate. Well, I don't really want to use the word generate, because that's really discounting the extra work that I put in here. It's not a quick click and it's done. And I'll get to that shortly in the video, because there's something more important that I want to really emphasize in this video, and is that we don't do anything here that compromises us on our core values. And I'm going to run over 3 of those core values right now, because I really feel that it's important. The first core value is that we create unique, creative artwork that helps you stay inspired and really helps you to create. That's why, one of the reasons why I started PA. The second thing is we must stay respectful of other people's ideas and intellectual property. And, you know, I would love to do a Disney kit. I would love to do a Harry Potter kit, but I won't. It's not even a question. And that has not changed. And the third thing is that I want to represent as many people as possible in the planner community, and not just in the planner community, in the world. And that is something that I have found really difficult to do. We've had our beautiful You, which was, it started off with a couple of different skin tones and hair colors, and then got up to 45 different hair colors and skin tones, or combination of. It really became a lot to manage. And so when we started experimenting with Paige, we were like, okay, we need to put that on hold because we need to see where this is going and if this can deliver what we really want to do. Paige gives us the opportunity to offer real diversity. Now, while we can't do every single hair color, style, length, skin tone, ethnicity, all that, body type, each month, what we can do is rotate these around so that we get a larger variety, like even more so than what we currently do. So we are super excited to start introducing that into our next batches of kits. I am absolutely sure that people have questions, and that is fine. We're welcoming the questions. Please drop them below. We're going to be addressing them as we go, and also in our YouTube live. Next week, we do a YouTube live on Monday for those who are just finding us. And we're also going to do something which we really haven't done before. We're going to be showing you through our process, showing you what we do here, to show you that is still such a small part of the creative process here, and how we take this art and turn that into the kits and the products and the stickers and the washi that you all know and love. And you've seen some views into this process previously when I've shared how I edit a lot. If you haven't seen those, I invite you to go back through my uploaded videos. I think there's a few of them in there, and check those out, because that's still the process. That is still the process. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to show you through, because I'm sure that there are a few people out there who are having the gut reaction of, oh my gosh, but isn't AI art copywritten art? Like, how are they doing this? This goes against their values. I can absolutely assure you that the way that we are using this is not. I fine-tune everything so much that rarely ever does it look like something that I have seen. And if there is, I ditch that immediately. We probably take it a little bit to the extreme in this instance. And I have checked this with a few friends as well, who have also said, yeah, no, that doesn't look anything like what you think it looks like. I wouldn't have ditched that. And that's really good. I would rather my filter be higher than it needs to be, because I want to keep that respect for everybody else who is out there doing this. It's hard for small businesses. We're all feeling it. There is not much that I can say that's going to reassure a lot of people out there. So what I'm doing is I'm inviting you all to subscribe, to message in the comments down here, to watch the upcoming videos that we're going to be sharing. I think hopefully going to put a few people's minds at ease. Now, I was speaking about diversity and what we've got coming up. I'm going to leave you with a little bit of a teaser as to how cool and how excited I really am moving forward. So, but before I do that, I just want to say a big thank you for taking the time to watch this, for listening, for being supportive, hopefully, and just being part of this community that we know and love. You're all amazing, and we can't wait to share with you what we do here at PA. Anyway, take care of yourselves, and I will see you all soon. Enjoy!